Okay, this is going to be the Insider's video review for Wednesday, March 16th, 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today in the brew, we were looking for bears and bears only below 2012 and a quarter. Trying to see if we can get down to about 1992, but market just took a bounce here. We had some buy response coming in. You follow the video that we just did. We talked about this trade setup here live, and we would have had an opportunity, not on this first green one, but the second one here, to take an opportunity to exit out and to go long. So if you have any questions, send them to jb@drumenergybands.com. Thank you for your interest. Okay, we just had another signal here, and this one here, 8.5, right? So you've got minimal risk on this trade if you wanted to take this trade, right? You're getting short in through here. Your stop's going to be 2 ticks above the high, so you're getting short at about 8, we'll say. Your stop's going to be probably 9.75, right? So about 1.75 risk. Now, as you're short, area 5 here on the focus needs to stay down, right? So we're going to have a crest. We're probably going to get a challenge to it, right? And as the release here of this focus chart's mid comes up, we're going to get a probe back into this crest. And if area 5 stays down, we expect this block down here, okay? We actually got a lower block. So for example, the block got expanded a little bit lower, not much, but down into this to this level here. So we'd be looking, for the block to get retested down in this area here. And using the higher chart, like for example, what I did was I drew it from the crest here down to this crest, and I determined that there's some bear control in this area. So taking a signal up here is not a bad idea, and we'll see what happens with it. I'm going to pause this video and come back. So as you can see, we've got some energy released from this, essentially a power mid, right, back to the block here on the focus. And we would expect this crest in this upper area 5 to be down. We would also expect this upper area 5 here on the trade chart to be down. Okay, so you can see we've had this challenge of the crest, and area 5 is starting to appear that it could be down, which would bode well for what we think, right? We have an opinion, and we're proving that yes pattern bar by bar. You can see we're also starting to develop a bit of a crest here as well. And as price flushes down, we're going to retest the block that we just put in here. It's a higher block, in other words, up here. And if we can break there, we're going to test this lower block. Okay, so here you can see we retested the block. It's still pushing up. Now we're expecting the upper 5 area here on the focus to be down, right? We're expecting that, and also this crest and this upper pink energy band here to hold for us. That's what we're leaning against. So with our stop at 975, for example, right here, there's 9.25, 975 would be 2 ticks above that high. We should see this upper yellow on the trade chart and the focus chart be down. Okay, we've had difficulty getting congestion entrance here and here, right? But if we're going to be looking to lean against the higher chart energy band, the pattern is very clear. We expect this upper yellow area here to be down. So this is a bit of a long trade, right? Area 5 is down still. We're having a lot of difficulty getting congestion entrance below the block. So, this needs to happen like very shortly here. So with the patience that we put into this trade, getting short at about 8, we'll say, we're hoping for congestion entrance down. Let's see. So we've been patient. We looked for area 5 to be down. We waited for those probes up into the crest. We weathered that, and we're not going to lose any money on this trade, right?